Oh, I'm not allergic to anything, so I'll have to I'll I'll have to induce when I want to sneeze for you, and today I'm using a stalk of a basil plant, and I'm trying to catch the sneezes in a big grey hanky with some straps on. Oh, but inducing makes my nose running, my eyes watering, and sometimes I use basil and sometimes I use basil. Both will do well for me. Oh, it makes my nose itching a lot, and sometimes it makes my head a little dizzy because oh, I think I'll try the other nostrils. Oh. Oh. I hate when it gets stuck. Oh, it's awful loud. Sorry for that. Oh, I have to blow my nose a little. I make this video especially for my new friend. Love that we met each other. Difficult. Why, when I'm awake, you asleep, and when you awake, I'm asleep, mostly. But yesterday, at least it succeeded, and I know that just now you are just now you're getting your beauty sleep. And I was awake late last night so we could speak to each other, and oh, sorry. Oh. Just now I'm using the basil plant, and God, it's making me sneeze a lot. Phew. Oh, my eyes are watering. Soon I'll have to stop because my hanky is totally wet. And I know that just now you're sleeping, but because today is my day off from work, I got the opportunity to make this video for you. And the basilicum plant is totally sucked, and weak, and I don't really make it anymore. I don't know if I could got one more out for you. Oh no. It's stuck in there. I'll have to blow my nose one more time. Sorry for that. Okay, hun. The sneezing is for you and the blowing for some of my other friends. Have a nice day. See you tonight. Bye.